Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you a quick look into Reebok Pulse smartwatch. So this watch I bought it from Costco and it was on sale for $99. Right now the price is $170, but if it's on sale and you like it, you can buy it from Costco. So this box is already open. I'm just gonna quickly give you a look around the box. On the side, it's like heart rate, stress rate, and there's like information, regulatory information, and it will show you they have third-party interactions like health, Google, Apple Health, and then it has automatic activity recognition, music control, and few of the features. So advanced sleep tracking, which I really like. I usually watch this with this watch while I'm sleeping, so it can track my sleeping. Then it has AMOLED display. It's 1.43-inch vivid AMOLED touchscreen display. Then you have different custom watch faces. Then you can get smart notifications. It can you can also directly access like Siri or Gemini or Google directly from your watch. It has hands-free calling. You can call from the watch. You can accept or decline a call from your watch as well as it has oxygen saturation monitoring. Then here assisted GPS. I'm not sure that it comes with built-in GPS. It uses your phone's GPS. So I will check it later and add it over the video if it has built-in GPS or it uses your phone's GPS. And this is 10 days battery life. But since it has AMOLED display, it also comes with always on display. If you have always on display or you're using sleep tracking, then obviously it's not going to be 10 days battery, but still it's pretty good. All right. So when you buy it from Costco, you get two cables. So as you can see that I am currently using one to charge my watch and one backup, which is very nice, and it comes with some extra paperwork inside. All right, so here's the watch. As you can see, it's very beautiful. It's a very lightweight. It has a very nice finishing. It is IP68 water resistance, and these are like silicone straps. Alright, so it comes with two buttons on the right side. So one button is like your home screen, and the second button you can customize in your settings as a quick button. So you can program this button to any app or any command which is present in the on your watch. So you can quickly access any application or do a quick action. So I'm going to give you a quick look into the UI of the watch. When you swipe from top to bottom, you get this quick setting panel, and when you swipe from bottom to top, you can here you can see all the notifications that were on your phone. And you swipe from left to right, there are like few quick apps which you can manage and you can quickly access them. When you swipe from right to left, you get these few of these faces, like first one is your activity, heart rate, oxygen saturation, stress and sleep, weather, then obviously your music control. So when you press the top button, it takes you to applications. There are quite a few different ones, like alarms. You can find your phone through it, right? You can access notifications, you can access different settings. I'm just gonna give you quick settings. So I'm not gonna go into every settings, but this one I want to show you. So it comes with always on display, which you can set, right? So always on display, you have these two options. One is analog, and one is digital, right? So, and you can set for duration. So let's say when you are sleeping, you don't want always on display, right? So you can basically start that timing. So when you're going to work, when you wake up, so you can set that time, right? This is the best setting I want. And I was saying that the bottom one is like a quick setting. I have changed it to the timer, but you can always change that in the settings. When you go into the settings, then here you can see the down button. You press that, and here's the few of the applications that you can access, like find, flashlight, timer, stopwatch, music, alarm, and a lot of other things, right? I hope you guys liked my video. If you guys have any questions or you want to ask anything about this watch, you let me know. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys next time.